It makes the heart almost 10 years younger.
Start each morning by putting one in your mouth.
Nearly 1/3 of all deaths worldwide are caused by heart disease. Fruits are like natural miracles since they are delicious and nutritious foods. According to experts, eating 1.5 to 2.5 cups of fruit every day offers significant health advantages. If you're concerned about your heart health, fruits might be a lifesaver. Here are 4 heart-healthy fruits. A 2020 study discovered that regular fruit consumption significantly reduced cardiac fatigue and damage after just 8 weeks. Good news for those who dislike vegetables, even eating fruit reduces the risk of a heart attack. People who ate at least 1 serving of fruit per day had a 40% lower risk of dying from a heart-related disease than those who did not, according to Chinese research. Therefore, if you want to keep your heart healthy, you should definitely eat fruit. However, some fruits may be considerably more efficient than others for protecting the health of your heart. The 4 most effective fruits for the heart. Berries. Although fruits are more commonly consumed during the summer months, they should be consumed all year round. Berries are full of antioxidants like anthocyanins, which guard against issues like oxidative stress and inflammation that cause heart disease. As a result, they are excellent foods for heart health. Among all fruits, blueberries have received the most attention in terms of heart health research. 1 cup of blueberries each day, according to a 2019 research, cut the risk of heart disease by 15%. All berries are heavy in water and have a lower sugar content than other fruits without compromising sweetness. Berries include anthocyanins, a class of antioxidants that gives them their blue, purple, and red colors, and they have been shown to be particularly beneficial in preventing heart disease. Berries are high in fiber, antioxidants, and vitamin C, all of which are essential for your body to function properly.
Their significant antioxidant concentration also contributes to your overall wellness. Avocado.
It may be difficult to imagine that avocados, which taste and feel like butter, are heart healthy. However, this creamy fruit has a strong heartbeat.
Avocados are rich in potassium and monounsaturated fats.
Your risk of metabolic syndrome may be reduced, as well as your blood pressure and cholesterol levels. According to a study of over 100,000 people, those who ate at least 2 servings of avocado per week had a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and a 21% lower risk of coronary heart disease than those who ate none or less. More than 6 grams of fiber and over 13 grams of beneficial unsaturated fat may be found in just 1/2 of an avocado. Avocado decreases bad cholesterol while supporting good cholesterol levels due to the high-quality fat it contains. Avocado should be included in your diet if you want shiny skin and hair too.
Watermelon. The summertime favorite fruit, watermelon, is a powerful heart friend.
Watermelon includes an amino acid called citrulline, which helps blood vessels expand and maintain a healthy blood pressure. Citrulline is a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels and aids in blood pressure regulation. The antioxidant lycopene, which gives watermelon its lovely red color, is another crucial ingredient. Watermelon has a considerably richer source of lycopene, which is an antioxidant that most people often associate with tomatoes. Watermelon has 9 to 12 milligrams of lycopene in only half a cup, which is 40% higher than tomatoes. It's sweet and juicy, making it the ideal summer treat to satisfy your thirst. This enormous spherical fruit features a vivid crimson inside and a green exterior. Additionally, it is nutrient-rich, containing vitamins A and C as well as antioxidants.
Apple. Consuming 1 apple every day will keep you out of the doctor's office. Apples are high in pectin, a kind of soluble fiber. Consequently, eating apples is one of the simplest strategies to maintain heart health. Pectin prevents the intestines from absorbing cholesterol, but it also urges your body to use cholesterol rather than store it. The fruit also includes phytochemicals and vitamin C, as well as anti-inflammatory effects. According to one study, every 25 grams of white fruits like apples and pears lowers the risk of stroke by 9%.
Recent research has found an increasing link between dieting and heart disease. Almost every aspect of heart health, including blood pressure, inflammation, cholesterol, and triglycerides, may be affected by your diet. A healthy, well-balanced diet that includes these heart-healthy foods can help keep your heart healthy and reduce your risk of heart disease. Although all fruits and vegetables are packed with beneficial nutrients, these 4 fruits are among the best for your heart.
Put them on your shopping list right away. Now, if there are any topics you'd like me to cover, write them down and I'll put them on my priority list. If you like my video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay well, stay healthy. See you on better days.